Are you still relying on crystal reports, struggling with static reports, limited interactivity, and slow decision making? While Crystal Reports has been a reliable reporting tool, today's businesses demand more. Real-time insights, interactive dashboards, and faster access to data, but migrating to Power BI isn't simple. Traditional migration means rebuilding reports manually, rewriting formulas, and validating every dataset. It's time-consuming, expensive, and prone to errors. But what if you could move to Power BI without starting from scratch? Introducing Pulse Convert, an AI-powered platform that transforms Crystal reports into modern Power BI dashboards. Simply upload your Crystal reports. Pulse Convert intelligently analyzes report structures, formulas, and data sources, then automatically converts them into fully functional Power BI dashboards, preserving logic, layout, and accuracy. No manual coding required. High-fidelity conversion reduces rework, supports even complex report structures, all within a secure enterprise-grade environment. What once took weeks or months can now be completed in minutes, helping you reduce costs, eliminate errors, and accelerate your analytics transformation. Unlock interactive dashboards, real-time insights, and a modern analytics experience with Power BI, empowering your teams to make faster, smarter decisions. It's time to move beyond static reporting and embrace intelligent analytics. Pulse Convert. Migrate smarter, modernize faster, and unlock the full power of Power BI.